welcome back to my channel Up My Child. Here we are constantly exploring various topics related to child development and education. Today I will be particularly talking about the topic called slow learners. We will be dealing with various signs which indicates that the child is a slow learner, some practical problems which he faces in his academic journey, and some solutions which can be implied in order to support their learning. So let's dive in. Now let's talk about various signs which shows that a child is a slow learner. First, the sign is delay in speech and language development. Children who find it difficult to articulate themselves and show a delay in language development face difficulty in learning. Second sign is reading and writing difficulties. Slow learners often face difficulty in reading comprehension, phonics, spellings, and writing expressions. These kids find it extremely difficult to decode words and express and organize their thoughts in writing. Next one is math challenges. Slow learners often face difficulties with simple and basic mathematical concepts like counting, recognizing numbers, and solving word problems. The next is poor attention span and lack of concentration. Slow learners often find it very difficult to keep focused on a particular task for a long time. They find it difficult to complete assignments as they get distracted very easily, and they find it difficult to absorb new information. The next one is limited academic progress. Slow learners often exhibit limited academic progress in comparison to their peers all across various subjects. Now let's talk about some various challenges which a slow learner faces. Slow learners have a lot of cognitive challenges like memory difficulties. They have difficulty in recalling things and retaining information for a long time. Slow learners take a little more time in understanding new concepts and completing a task, which is like a hindrance in their academic growth and progress. Slow learners find it difficult to understand abstract concepts and ideas. They also face difficulty in executive functions like planning, organizing, time management, and problem solving. Apart from cognitive difficulties, slow learners also face social difficulties. Because of repeated academic difficulties, they suffer from low self-esteem because they feel they are lagging far behind their peers. Constant academic struggle leads to a lot of frustration and anxiety within them. Slow learners also suffer from social isolation because they feel that they are different from their peers and they lag behind, as a result of which they keep themselves away from other children and do not get involved in social or group activities. But rather than criticizing them, ignoring them, or insulting them, it is extremely necessary that we find out some ways to help a slow learner. Taking professional help is extremely mandatory. Parents should consult pediatricians, psychologists, special educationists for a comprehensive assessment and evaluation of their learning difficulties. The learning environment for the children who face difficulty in learning process should be extremely friendly. Parents should be regularly in touch with the teachers so that they understand the needs of their children and provide assistance accordingly. The teachers should also make some changes and variations in their teaching process. They can make use of visual aids, they can make use of some auditory cues and hands-on activities to enhance the understanding and retention of these slow learners. Breaking down complex concepts into smaller and more manageable steps can help them to understand concepts and understand instructions better. Providing emotional support and an encouraging environment for the children who find difficulty in learning is extremely important and helpful for them. Celebrate their small achievements, provide them constructive feedback, and keep on boosting their self-esteem. Encouraging peer interaction and providing collaborations can create a supportive environment for these slow learners where they feel valued and accepted. Recognizing and supporting the needs of these slow learners is extremely important and necessary for their academic growth and development. By recognizing these signs, understanding their challenges, and providing practical solutions can create a learning environment where every child can thrive. Remember, slow learners have their unique strengths. With the right support, they can overcome obstacles and reach their full potential. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe so that we can help every child residing in this universe.